In this video, we are going to talk about similarity story problems, how to set them up and how to solve them. In order to solve all of these problems, you need to set up a proportion and cross multiply and solve. In this first example, an oak tree in your backyard is 25 feet tall. It creates a shadow on a particular time of day that is 30 feet long. If your friend's shadow is 6 feet long, then how tall is your friend? Set up a series of similar triangles superimposed, because the angle of the sun is going to be the same for both objects. The tree, the taller object, is 25 feet tall, and its shadow is 30 feet long. The smaller object, we don't know how tall they are, but we do know that their shadow is 6 feet long. So we could do, as far as proportions go, we can do the big triangle over the small triangle or the small triangle over the big triangle. So I'm going to choose to do big over small. So 25 over the corresponding side length x is equal to, we want to do the big triangle again, 30 over 6. Cross multiply and solve, you're going to have 30 times x equals 6 times 25 is 150. So that's multiplying across. And that's how you get the result of 30x equals 150. Divide both sides by 30. X ends up being 5 feet. So your friend is 5 feet tall. This problem might be more difficult if you don't draw a picture, so I highly suggest that you do draw a picture for every single story problem that you encounter. Number 2, a building shadow is 200 feet long. A person that is 6 feet tall has a 14-foot shadow. How tall is the building? So draw the larger triangle first. So 200 feet is the shadow building. We don't know how tall the building is, so we're going to put X there. Someone that is 6 feet tall has a 14-foot shadow. So the proportions are going to be, and this is just one of many, you could write x over 6 equals 200 over 14. Let's erase that 200. So in this case, again, did big over small. You can do small over big as well. It won't matter. 14 times x is going to be 14x. 200 times 6 is going to be 1200. Next step, divide both sides by 14. And x is going to be approximately 85.71 feet. So the building is 85.17 feet tall. So every problem that you encounter that's a story problem, underline the important information, circle what's being asked of you, draw the picture, set up the proportion, cross multiply and solve, and make sure you include units in your answer.